on YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a Bullish Bears stream. I am your host, Kevin. Today we're going to be taking some trades. Did a little bit of analysis with the community. Going to be looking for this area or this area to play out to go short. If we look at the daily time frame, we see how Friday Bears really came back in. So we really got to stay patient on that. Bears, we were looking bullish. Everybody was saying go along, breaking these swing highs over here. Grabbed liquidity and just dumped. So Bears are still in control here. We are holding this area of interest on ES, sort of holding it on NQ. So really just staying patient here. Got a minute 18 till this candle opens. Good morning, everybody. Yost, Travis, Trader91, what's up? Ramdo, hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? Johnny, Justin, Godo,
Hey
Habibi.
Kevin, were you going to have a chance to post your trading plan?
Not this morning. It was a bit of a long night. Sort of woke up a bit late. I do apologize about that. It's
Oh,
some
no worry.
family matters going on. That's why I tried to get on a little early on this stream just to go over these setups and how I'm
You,
going to be looking at this zone on Nasdaq and this zone on Nasdaq. So mainly these are my two like A plus setups. If we look at the 30-minute, try to find a supply zone as well.
you you think you could just post the pictures of your zone so I can compare them to mine?
Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Let's see, let me just make sure the zones are all good looking. Supply 30-minute, rectangle. Ding, ding, ding. Alright, so yeah, let me post those for you. What is going on, YouTube? Hello, everybody. And guys, check this out. So this 30-minute, look at how price was respecting the open of this candle. I notice a lot of times on supply and demand candles, price will respect the open, close, or the high and low. Usually the open of candles is very important. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's hit back 15-minute. What's ES doing? So ES is coming back down there, right? And I said if we did come back, I want to enter a light long position. Gotta get my trade ovate connected. Would be nice. Let me just miss that good entry because it wasn't connected. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so I just missed that entry because it's connecting trade ovate on my screen to the left over here. I do want to see if we could pull back one more time. Equities are looking sort of weak right now. Tesla had a gap down of about $6. So that's quite the gap, but it gapped down into a demand zone. And now it's trying to rally from there. So really just sort of staying patient. I want to remember Bears had control, but look at the bulls on Apple right there, guys. Look at that go. Look at Apple. Killing it. So I'm trying to get an entry right over here. Does look like I missed that entry. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I'll get lucky and we'll pull back a little bit. Maybe not. I will say, just because I missed that entry doesn't mean I'm going to chase it and get in right here. Because I missed that entry, I have to stay patient, wait for some type of pullback, wait for this candle to close, wait for something. But if I enter way up here, it's going to sway my risk to reward. I'm not going to have a good... This is a 4-to-1 right there. So again, I'm really just staying patient on this. Let's see, let's see. Apple killing it. Apple was also killing it, guys, right off of this key level that I got, right? Boom, 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 pop. Nvidia popping up. Yeah, look at that strength in the market, guys. It's pretty strong. So I'm just gonna really just, like I said, stay patient right now. Missed this first entry over here. That entry was based off the 15-minute. And really just staying patient. Got 1140 in the 15. The NASDAQ also created a bit of a 15-minute demand zone too. So I'm seeing this as bulls will have control for a little bit. Missed my entry. If you're looking to scalp, you could probably try to scalp it, but me personally, I would not try to scalp this yet. It's still the first 5-minute candle of the day. Apple killing it. Apple is up. Damn, Apple is up from that
Hey
170
Kevin,
key
is
level. Yeah, what's up?
the blue area of interest that you're bouncing off of? Where did that come from? Was that a demand zone from yesterday?
That was actually a demand zone from September 26th, which was a Tuesday. And let's see what time frame. I'm pretty sure it was a 30-minute. Yeah, it was a 30-minute because we had an engulfing candle afterwards. I covered this one in the webinar, how I found it. But we came up, we came down, we had this wick which held, then we had pullback when we came to the bottom of the candle, pushed below, held it as resistance, then held it as support, held this key level as support, and then yesterday we held it at, Friday we held it as support, and today we're trying to hold it as support as well. So just staying patient. Patience is key. 4 seconds till this candle closes. Really nice buying pressure. We might get a pop on that next candle. But I want to see a pullback, guys. I want that pullback. Probably not going to get a pullback to where I want because it was such a strong rally. But yeah, we'll have to see. 1 hour has the hourly look. And so the hourly does not look like it was creating a demand zone here, right? So it's really only a 15-minute demand zone. So again, I'm just staying patient on this. If you're looking to scalp it, you can definitely try to scalp it. Any 30-minute supply zones I'm missing? There's a little bit of a supply zone right there. So maybe if we had our target right here, almost a 2-to-1. Maybe bring it like right there. Make it a 2-to-1 right there. Yeah, look at those pops, guys. Really strong bulls. Bulls are killing it right now. Definitely not disappointed I missed my entry because of a sort of a technicality because my trade of 8 wasn't logged in. But it is what it is. I'm not chasing up here. I'm staying patient. Bulls are looking strong. I just realized I don't have my VIX up. There it is. Damn, check that out. So now at this point, if I'm also looking at NASDAQ, guys, it's coming too close to this 30-minute supply zone, which was broken in pre-market. But again, we really respected the trend line at the zone, the 30-minute itself, the 14,941. And we held it 1, 2, 3, 3 times, broke it. Now I'm expecting us to hold it as resistance. So instead of going long targeting that zone, I'm going to sort of wait to see the reaction from that zone. We could go long targeting that zone. But again, where would your stop loss be? It's always important to know where your proper stop loss is. Where is VWAP as well? And look at that, we're also at VWAP. And there's that 78 fib level too. So I'm not going to jump in shorts here because bulls have been so strong. But again, I'm not jumping in longs here because now we are coming into some resistance. We have resistance up here as well. And as we've seen the past few days, bears have remained in control. Yo, what's going on, Ted? What is going on, the maker? What's going on, everybody? Welcome, welcome. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Getting a little bit of pullback on Apple at the moment, but it did have such a strong rally. Nvidia, Meta, those are the top 2 on the relative strength watch list. Where's Apple? Is Apple not even on that? Yeah, now Google's up there too. Check out Google. Google broke through a 3 hour. Oh, nope, that's a broken zone. So see how that's a broken zone, but we used that zone as support. Support chopped around, broke it. Now let's see if we want to use it as support again. Nice strong moves on NASDAQ. Again, we could sort of be targeting this 30-minute supply zone. Just trade lightly if you are taking any trades up here. So now we're coming into this consolidation area on ES. So let's see what NASDAQ wants to do from here. A lot of strength in equity, so I'm not going to be grabbing a short up here, because I feel like that would just not be a smart trade. Just really want to stay patient. Let's see if we reject that zone. Or let's even, you know what? We got a minute left in the 5-minute candle. Let's be patient. Super, super patient, guys. If we start to wick lower and we get a small green body, long upper wick, then I'm definitely going to take this short. But look at this. It's just pumping right through. That's why I didn't want to take that short yet. I want to let this candle close. Bulls have had control. Microsoft's running right now. $38 seconds on the 5-minute. I'm considering throwing a sell position right here at this 30-minute key level in case we get some strong wick action pushing us lower. But seeing how strong Microsoft is, probably going to go with no on that. So we still only got 17 seconds left on the 5-minute. Bulls are looking too strong to short this. 15-minute created that demand zone. 5 minutes left in this 15. Yeah, really clean stuff on that 15-minute time frame, guys. It would have been a really great trade. Also missed that. Yeah, I know. Me too, the maker. That was tough. Like, just missed it. If anything, I'll look for a pullback on NASDAQ to this key level. Look for it to hold and then scalp some long positions. But, yeah, really just want to stay patient right now because you guys know the market gives us many opportunities every day. Microsoft's running. Apple with a bit of pullback, running into some weakness. So again, let's see if NASDAQ wants to hold this level right here. Good morning, YouTube. What's going on, everybody? Oh yeah, don't forget, guys, Apex is running that 90% off sale on evaluation accounts. Use code BullishBears to get that 90%. We appreciate the support, and using that code will also give you guys whatever up-to-date sale they are running. Alright, so let's see if we could...
It's so cheap. I did a Bullish Bears buy on that this morning.
Nice, nice. Awesome.
I have an area of interest where it's bouncing off of on ES right now.
Nice. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, definitely coming into some resistance right here. Not looking to go long at the moment. Just really staying patient. Equities have been strong, but we know that bears have had fun turning it around on us sometimes. We got 323 left in the 15 and the 5. VIX trying to push lower. Microsoft with some pullback. Oh, let me show you guys that indicator that I was showing you. So look, Apple momentum and trend, Microsoft momentum and trend, Nvidia momentum and trend, Tesla momentum and trend. I don't know why Disney's up. I thought I turned that off. It's not. It's not even an option on here. I gotta go back in the code. There you go. Apple's trying to pick up momentum again. Definitely considering grabbing a small long position here, trying to like get the bottom of this candle. But again, I don't want to get in a long here and then have it just completely continue to dump on me. So I'm just waiting, playing the waiting game right now. My favorite game to play when trading. Because the market will reward patience. Got 2 minutes left in the 5 minute, 2 minutes left in the 15 minute. How's that 15 looking? It's looking like, let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Again, considering grabbing a long position right over here where we are, in case bulls do want to take control again. VIX has been strong to the downside. Yeah, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna start. No, I'm not. I'm gonna stay patient. No reason to jump the gun, right? We got a minute 30 left in the 5 minute. That way too, if this candle wants to sell off strong, break below this 78% fib, I'm gonna look for a short position. So I want to be patient, let this candle play out, then take the trade depending on market structure. So Apple broke, something I want to point out, guys, on Apple right now. It broke yesterday, Friday's previous day high, right? And this would be previous day high. We broke it, then we started to reject. And that's because a lot of people were looking for that break to go long. Oh, there we go, NASDAQ. Look at that, NASDAQ. 46 seconds left. A lot of bulls. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Can't fight that trend right now. Just got to remember, though, when in doubt, zoom out. We look at those higher time frames, and we see we're in a range right now. So we want to buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Maybe if we get some type of hanging man candle, something like this. Green body, small green body, long lower wick, 10 seconds left. If it closes like right over here, I'll grab a short position. Stop loss at the highs over here. Or I'll wait for this next candle to pop a bit, then short it. Let's see. Also, though, don't want to short something that's going to pop. You know what I'm saying? Nice bear structure right there. Look at that. But this is still just the first 20 seconds of the 5-minute candle, guys. And look how strong the 15 closed. That's a strong 15. It's hard to short. If you're looking at the 15-minute time frame, it's hard to short right up here because look how strong these candles were. 30-minute though, you know, this might come back down. So just really staying patient. Apple looking ready to come back up higher. Google pushing higher. This might be a good spot to load in some longs. Stop loss, probably maybe this key level over here. I might do that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to see, guys. I really want to stay patient. I want to wait for a really good high quality trade. Nvidia, Tesla selling off, Microsoft selling off, Apple with some resistance. Same with Meta. Definitely some strong movements going on right now. I'm really considering starting a long position here, but with the price action before, I was just saying I'm bearish, so it's really telltale. It's like I'm gonna stay patient. Yeah, see that? Didn't like that. But now the question is this going to be a flag pattern and then we're going to pop? Or do the bears want to take it and give us a nice sell-off candle on the 30-minute? Look at ES's 30-minute compared to NASDAQ's 30-minute, guys. Apple pretty strong to the downside at the moment. Same with Microsoft, same with Nvidia, same with Meta. I'm looking for this trend line and VWAP to hold. If it doesn't hold and sellers are too strong, all my buy biases are out the window. Alright, come down just a little more. Just a little more. How did the daily close Friday? Alright. Closed like a range. Alright, I'm gonna throw a buy order out there, guys. Right at this key level where we just wicked off of. Probably missed that entry. We do have to see. See, with the structure of the equities right now makes me want to rethink this buy order. But bulls were just very strong this morning. Minute 30 left in the 5 minute. VIX with a little bit of a pop.
Yeah, also there's news at 4 and 5. My time, so in 10 minutes, I think there's news.
Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. What was it? I saw that this morning. What was the news again?
PMI.
PMI, that's it. That's it. Yeah, it's a good one to also wait for, guys.
Yeah, and
This
then
could
Powell later on.
Gotcha. Yeah, see, these bears keep trying to step in, but bulls keep pushing it back higher. Let's see, we got 50 seconds on the 5 minute. No reason to get long here because it could dump. No reason to get short here because it could pump. So let the candle close. Let the candle speak to us. What Jeremy say in that video, Godo? He's a candle whisperer. It's funny.
Yeah, he also said 80% waiting.
That's right. That's right. Absolutely right.
I'm so bad at that. I'll figure it out eventually.
Gotta be
Same.
patient. Gotta be patient in the market. Got 17 seconds left in this 5 minute. How's the 15 looking? 15 was just so bullish. Tell you what. 5 seconds? No, I'm staying patient. No reason to grab this. I might look to see if we reject this level right here. 14,941 on NASDAQ. But bulls do look pretty strong here. Apple pretty weak though. Pretty weak. Equities sort of bouncing around. Alright, let's see, guys. Let's see. What's the move right here? I'm definitely considering a long position based off of that trend line and VWAP. Yeah, let's see. Nope. ES with that weakness. I don't know, guys. Just staying patient. When I say I'm considering a position, that's just like my current bias. I let you guys know, like, hey, I'm entering here. This thing's too bouncy right now, and after that previous candle, oh, I hate when that happens. After that previous candle, it's sort of an engulfing candle right there off of a hanging man candle, so that's pretty bearish. Thinking of grabbing some shorts now. Let's see. But we're keep holding VWAP. At least we're holding VWAP on NASDAQ, right? There's nothing really supporting ES over here. $3.10 left in the 5 minute. Let's take a look at equities, guys. What are equities doing? Oh, wait. NASDAQ, you want to give us something? Nope. Oh, yep. Nope. Yes? No? Maybe so? Yeah, it looks like bears do want to take control here. Google with some nice selling pressure, too. Yeah, there we go, guys. Nice. Just waiting. Did not enter any trades yet. A little bit of divergence, too, right? ES is closer to its low a day than NASDAQ is. So with that being said, if I let this candle close and we wick right back up and create a small red body on the 5 minute, I'm going to want to take this long and put my stop at the previous low. However, if we just continue to sell off like we are, Apple pretty weak, Microsoft's pretty weak. Yeah, nice and weak on Microsoft right now. What's going on, YouTube? See a bunch of you guys just tuned in. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Bullish Bears YouTube channel. I am Kevin. I'm streaming today. For us, it's usually me or Jeremy. Don't forget to join our community. We go live every day for you guys, and I do try to post my my pre-market plans every day. Today I was not able to. Bit of a long weekend. But you know, that's what trading's all about too. Being able to take a day off if you have to. Being able to start a little late if you have to. Because trading gives us that freedom. So I'm just staying patient on this candle, guys. I'm thinking a lot of people are chasing shorts right now. But I want to see if we fail to sell off from this zone, which again was broken pre-market. And if we fail to sell off, push back higher, I'm going to look for longs above this key level, 14,926. If bears stay strong, Apple's looking weak. Part of me wants to get in short just because of how weak Apple and Microsoft are looking right now. But getting short down here is not ideal. Getting short up here was ideal. Got 45 seconds left in the 5-minute two, so again, no reason to really run into it. Like I said, I want to see if we close with a small red body, long lower wick. I'll take a long position, and we will target. I guess we could just target the top of that zone first as our first target, but I really want that next zone. So it's going to depend on how this candle closes, right? Apple looking weak again. Gotta remember, each time bears do take control lately, we get a strong move lower. So I don't want to be trying to get in long here in case bears do want to take that control. 2 seconds. Ah, not a fan of that candle. Yeah, I'm thinking bears want this. But I might try out some longs here. Alright guys, I'm going to enter a couple long positions right there. I got a really tight stop loss on this previous candle. And the reason I got that is because the 15-minute was looking good, the 30-minute was looking alright. Got 4 minutes left in the 30-minute, and I want this 5-minute to rally to bring us into a strong 30-minute close. But if we fail, then that's okay. I'll just reverse or stop out. Yeah, Apple weak again. Microsoft weak again. Really need those to start popping. There we go, Apple. A little bit of strength. A little bit, not much. Google too. There we go. Get some strength in Google. Yeah, market's having a tough time. What's going on, Ricardo? What's going on, Brody? How was your weekend?
Excellent, man. How was yours?
It was alright. It's alright. Always busy. Yeah, not a fan of the bulls here. We'd still got 340 left on the 5 minutes, so I'm definitely going to stay patient on this position. I am currently in a long position. Entry point was right here, and stop loss is at the bottom of this previous candle's low. Might even stop out sooner if bears look too strong. But I really want to see bulls step back in here. But it's not looking too promising. We do have ES wicked off of this area of interest, which is a bit of a good sign. But I don't know. We really need bulls to step in here with some strength and give us a nice pop. If that does not happen, it looks like bears want to step in and give us a nice drop. So really staying patient. I'm in a light long position, super light position. And I'll let the candle close. If the candle does push up higher, closes green, I will add to my position. If we dump, I will just sell and take a super small loss on this trade. Small losses, big winners. Cut our losses short, add to our winners. That's how we gotta trade, guys. Come on, Apple, give us that push. Microsoft, you too. Come on, trap those bears. Give us this zone up here. 2:15 left in the 5 minute. Bulls are just barely trying. Need a strong pump. There we go. Apple with some strength right there. I like that. Meta with some strength off of VWAP too. Microsoft is well trying, but keeps failing. Really staying patient too, because if I'm trying to look at hindsight, right, I'm trying to see how these candles could play out. If this wick's lower, I would not be surprised, right? If these want to stay red candles, I would not be surprised. Does that mean I want to short right now? No. Does that mean I want to go long right now? I am long, so I'm staying patient. But about a minute 10 left in this 5-minute candle. Not looking promising for bulls right now. Definitely considering reversing this. Bears are stepping in with some strength. Got a minute left. Yeah, look at those bears stepping in, guys. Stay patient. See if it wants to just wick around for a second. Apple with some weakness. Wall of sellers up there.
Okay, news in 1 minute.
What was that?
News is coming up now.
Oh, shoot, that's right. Oh, yeah, I might want to be out of this trade before news hits.
What's coming out?
PMI?
Thank you.
That's what community's for. Yeah, I'm gonna want to be out of this trade before PMI hits, because that could really whipsaw us a little bit. So 9 seconds. Yeah, I might cut this as a small loss, and just to sort of play it safe. Yeah, I'm out of that. I'm out of that, guys. I'm not risking my account over some news. No way. No way.
That was a crazy candle.
Oh no. Just wait. Just
Okay,
wait.
now it's just in time.
Just wait.
Millisecond.
We're just waiting now. We're just waiting now. Bulls want this, guys. Apple's popping. I'm getting back in.
What is PMI? Is it the private mortgage insurance? No. Purchasing Managers Index.
Yeah.
Or what is it? PMI.
Come on, Bulls. Take this. Take this. They're bouncing around. They're bouncing around. Nice. Alright, top of that zone. Boom, broke that zone. Whoa, big wick. Saint Wick over here. Yeah, we're wicking around, guys. If you are trading this, you have to be in such light size. I can't emphasize that enough. Because trading news can make or break an account. Especially if you're not trading the proper size. Apple pretty strong still. Microsoft pretty strong still.
The US dollar and the VIX have some strength. Bearish right now, so.
Nice, nice. Yeah, VIX near low a day. I like that. ES coming up to VWAP, rejected VWAP. Don't like that. Just really staying patient on this, guys. I ended up getting back in some long positions around right here. So, I'm just staying patient. Nice pop. Hey, there we go. There we go, there we go. 2:30 left in the 5-minute. Let's see if we want another strong pop from here. Good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, let's go, Bulls. Let's go. I'm going to look to exit my position. I sort of want to exit at that 30-minute, but Apple's pretty strong right now. I do want to try to let this winner run, especially if it's news influenced, you know what I'm saying? So let's try to let that winner go. Run, bulls, run. Anybody got any questions? Definitely let me know. Skybear on YouTube asks, do you think this month the stock market's going to be good or bad? I haven't done a monthly analysis in a little bit. I mean, if we're looking at year to date, the market is still green year to date. Oh, there's that 30-minute supply zone. Yeah, break right through it. Let's go. Nice, nice. I'll do a monthly analysis in a minute. Let me just get out of this trade, or at least manage it a little bit longer. Minute 20 left in the 5 minute. I'm gonna look to exit my position right here because we're in that supply zone now, and I don't really want to be holding too long into a supply zone. So monthly, somebody wanted to do monthly. Was really strong bullish though. I would not take any bearish trades right now. Oh yeah, monthly. I mean, if we're looking at the monthly charts, and excuse all the zones because now you're looking at everything. Monthly's looking bearish, right? Look at all the past 2 months have been very bearish, but again, year to date we have been bullish. So it's really a tough call. Damn, I can't believe I stopped out too early on that. Oh, Apple's flying right now. Considering getting back in. Not going to.
So is Microsoft.
Yeah. Meta too. Nvidia new high a day. Google new high a day. Meta new high a day. Might get back in this long position. Yeah, I'll get back in. Lightly. Nice. If bulls want Apple's strong. If bulls want to continue here, this could be a nice trade too. Really trading so lightly though. Yeah, bears could step in at any time because we are in supply, and it's a supply zone that I wanted us to reject today. Just got to see if news is stronger. Apple with a little pullback. Nothing to be worried about. Apple trying to push back green. Same with Microsoft. Meta at an area of interest though. If Apple could start pumping again with some strength, I'm going to get in some more contracts of NASDAQ. If it stays weak, however, I will not. Might even look to reverse it for the shorts, but that was such a strong bull move, I don't really want to be doing that. Except that we're at supply. Supply is huge, guys. Come on, Apple, give us that strength. Let's go higher. There we go. Alright, Apple trying again. And failing. Aw, no, Apple, that's not good.
Yeah, Apple, I see we are in bouncing against resistance. I see like 2-3 points this month, Apple. The 173 level is kind of a resistance. You see that?
Yeah, I see that. I see that. Nice, nice, Thomas. Nice.
Maybe that's why. Let's see maybe if it breaks.
For sure. Absolutely. All right, so we're back into this broken supply zone, right? So I want to see if we want to use this as an area of interest to bounce. But bears are stepping in with some strength, guys.
I caught a nice little chunk of that sell off right
That
now.
drop?
Yeah,
Nice, dude. Good job.
scalped that.
Nice. We got 220 left in the 5 minute. There is a chance we wick back up. Apple's pretty weak right now, though. If Apple could start to turn around, I will grab another long position down here. Yeah, give me one more little drop. I'll grab a long position in this area of interest inside here. One more drop, one more drop. Yeah, Apple with a big strong wick. Alright, I'm gonna grab another long position. Really light size right now, guys. Tight stop loss. Seeing if buyers want to step back and bring us back higher again. What's VIX doing? VIX made a new low a day before. Pulling back from a key level, so I was expecting some pullback. Minute 17 left on the 5 minute. If we get a basing candle from here, like a small red body, long lower wick, I'm going to get more contracts on the next candle. If not, I'm just going to stop out. Sellers stepping back. Sellers stepping back in. Yeah, it's some strong selling pressure. Just being patient right now. 50 seconds. Yeah, these sellers mean business right now, guys. But so did buyers just a candle before. And all morning, sorta. So if I'm staying with that type of trend, I want to know, where did Friday's close? Friday's close was up there. Okay. Still a chance. 20 seconds left in the 5 minute, guys. Super crucial where we close and how we close right now. No, bears, stop it. Yeah, too bearish for me to hold this. Let's see, let's see. Give me a pop so I could short it. Alright, I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to take some shorts here, guys. And the reason for that is because we rejected supply, came back into this zone, rejected the top of this zone. Sort of staying patient. Might not be the best trade. Better trade would have been shorting at the supply, but that's okay. How are the higher time frames looking? Nice and bearish. I like that. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Coming back to the bottom of the supply zone. Trying to hold it right now. Might consider getting out of my trade down there if it gives us another drop. Look at that, guys. Buyers just stepped back in and said, hey, don't forget about me. Don't forget about me. Damn. Damn. Staying patient on this, guys. Because we are creating higher lows. Higher lows recently. And higher highs. Based off of the 5 minute from this previous little trend. But if we look at yesterday, created a lower high in supply over there. Three minutes left in the 5 minute. I'm staying patient on this candle. Very important candle right here.
You're in a short?
Yeah, I'm in a short at the moment, right where we're bouncing around right now, actually. But yeah, it's not looking too good for the bears, because this is an area I would have wanted to go long because we broke supply. But really just staying patient on this. 2:30 left on the 5 minute. Nothing crazy. Light position. Light trades on Mondays. Need bears to step in with some strength here. Nvidia's trying to push higher. Microsoft's pretty weak. Meta's trying to drop. If equities could all start going lower, that would be great. Check out the 15-minute real quick. 15 had this demand zone, so this would sort of be the target for shorts. Let's see, entry was right here. Stop loss we'll do there. And target is going to be demand. Okay, that's a nice 4-to-1 risk to reward. That's pretty solid. Minute 15 left on the 5-minute though. If we do get a big wick and we have a small red body off of this key level, I'm going to reverse the trade and take longs. I know it sounds like I'm reversing a lot today, but we just got to be staying with the trend, right? We want to be in the right trade. Can't let our biases control our trades. Got to be able to switch up our bias depending on market structure. 50 seconds left in the 5-minute. Medit's trying to hold VWAP again. VIX trying to pop. $36 seconds left in the 5-minute. Need us to break through. This would be great. Bouncing around right now. Nice. That's a nice drop. That's what I wanted to see. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Right to VWAP. 7 seconds left in the 5-minute. If Bears want to... Yeah, nice. If Bears want to stay in control in this, we could get another nice push after this. I don't like that we just rejected this key level, though. Look how perfect that wick was off that key level. But that was a really strong red candle. Bears definitely are here. I'm sort of getting ready to add to my position. But I'm staying patient. Yeah, if we could wick off this key level, that would be ideal. Nope, nope, we're back in it. We're back in it. Oh boy. Oh, Bulls, what are you doing? Yeah, Apple with some strength. Microsoft too, guys. Look at that. Coming right up near my entry. Creating these higher lows. Might want to go create a higher high. I'm still short though. VIX had a nice big spike though. Yeah, buyers are stepping in here. Let's see if we could wick back lower. I'm gonna grab one more contract. Stop loss at break even. We're at least a very tight stop loss right now. Need equities to start pushing back lower too. If equities could start pushing lower, we're gonna have a really nice trade on our hands. But equities are at near higher days right now. Need Apple to start rejecting, but it's keep trying to pump. Just gotta be careful. Careful and patient. 2 keys to success in trading. 240 left on the 5-minute. I'm waiting on this, guys. Just waiting on it. How's the 15 looking? That was okay. I'm looking at this 15. Look at this big long wick. This could be, if we start to dump, we could have a really nice trade there. 30-minute too. Got 12 minutes in the 30-minute. Let's see. For us to close green on the 30, somewhere in between these levels. 2 minutes left. Got 12 minutes on the 30-minute. A lot of buying pressure coming right back in it, guys. Buyers are not giving this up without a fight. Minute 40 left in the 5-minute. Dixie broke another recent high. Oh, Dixie broke another high? Alright, it's something to be aware of, guys. But usually if the dollar's going higher, we go lower on ESNQ. No? Am I remembering that wrong? Oh, buyers, stop it. Oh, Apple's running, guys. Apple's running right here. Be careful. Be careful. Got a minute left in the 5-minute, though. Let's see if it's stop hunting and wants to wick back lower. I'm still in this trade. Still in it, but not a fan of it at the moment. 40 seconds left. Somebody say something.
Up that flank.
I guess it's in. Yeah. Let's see if Bears want to take it back. Yeah, if Bears could take this back again, guys, it could chop around right now to be grabbing liquidity before we get a strong push. If I'm looking at the 15, and it's got about 10 minutes to close, I want these next 2 5-minute candles to really be dumpy and give us a move lower. However, if I'm looking at the 30 and want a red 30-minute, we got 10 minutes on that as well, so I'd want it to sort of stay in this area over here. Could play it safe and close your positions here. I'm not going to. I do think Bears want to take control here. Bears have been very strong lately. I want to trade with that trend. But buyers have stepped in. News helped us push higher. Don't want to be fighting that either. Apple has a tough competitor in JP Morgan on finance. Sorry, just getting a Twitter notification. Microsoft CEO has tried to win Apple search deal annually. None of these have much relevance. Yeah, nothing else really going on right now. Really watching equities right now, guys. Equities are key right here. Need Apple to start dumping lower. Need Microsoft to start dumping lower. If you get too antsy in trades, guys, there's either a good chance that you got in too heavy, or you just gotta sort of loosen up. Just gotta keep it cool, calm, collective. Or you don't have a proper stop loss. That could also be it. 3 minutes on the 5-minute, 8 minutes on the 15-minute, and what's that? 8 minutes on the 30-minute. So really just waiting on these candle closures, guys. A lot of bear pressure on the higher time frames. So that's sort of why I'm holding these shorts. Gotta trust those higher time frames. Now, for the 30-minute, I would want it to close somewhere between here and here. On the 15-minute, however, I wanted us to dump to get a basing candle here, so I want us to continue lower on the 15. Nice. I like that break of that key level. Yes, sort of having trouble though. It's okay. That's why we're in the DAC, the NASDAQ. What's the 15 looking like? Still got another 5-minute candle on the 15. Got a minute 48 left on this 5-minute candle. Really staying patient. It's chopping around right now. Entry was pretty solid though. Entry point was up here on short positions. So we are in the green on these right now. And if you trade multiple contracts, you're able to scale in, scale out. You're able to scale out of some contracts at this key level in case we do reverse. And then you're able to let some contracts run in case we do want to continue lower. Minute 15 left. Buyers stepping back in. Apple and Microsoft were struggling to go lower. Same with Meta. Meta tried to go lower. Is trying to go back higher now. Oh, there goes Apple trying to go higher. Oh man. Oh man. 45 seconds left in the 5-minute. Staying patient. Buyers are stepping in. Oh, it sort of looks like maybe a head and shoulders pattern right here. Really just staying patient on this trade, guys. I'm not seeing much reason to exit right now. Not seeing much reason to reverse or anything. Really just staying patient on this. I guess not if you were trading all options. Yeah, that's true. That's true. If you're trading options, then this is tough. Because if you're trading options, then you're going to be chopped around a bit. Unless you do like a few days till expiration. It's always an ideal move when trading options. Yeah, bulls look like they want to take this, guys. Apple with a nice strong push too. Now I'm worried. But we still got 15 minutes. Got one more 5 minutes to go. 30 minutes. Got another 5 minutes to go. So if I want bears to come back in and close somewhere over here. If bears fail, then I'm out of this trade, period. Might stop hunt though and go for this wick. Like right there. Which if we do, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Yes, with some strength. VIX trying to drop again. Yeah, it is looking like bulls want to take this, guys. Apple's trying to go higher. I think bulls want this. I'm just staying patient on the short, guys. If reports are driving markets, then it should be bearish, but oh well. I know, right? Usually the market likes to inverse whatever the news is. So I'm staying patient because I'm thinking we're stop hunting the people that have their stop losses at the top of this wick right here. And if we stop hunt, we're going to wick above it, then we're going to push back lower. But if not, I'm really just staying patient. Apple with a nice rejection, love it. Microsoft too with a rejection. Market needs that liquidity. My dog's barking, that means I should exit the trade, right? Nah, that means the trade's gonna reverse. We're gonna go back lower. Apple with some weakness. If we do bounce and go higher on VIX, that would also be a confirmation. Nice, nice. See, that was a bear trap, or bull trap, I mean. We wicked above this previous wick right there, stop hunted, and pushed back lower. So if you guys wanted to grab a short position, you got to enter where others are stopping out.
Yeah, I scalped at that.
Nice, good stuff, bro. Minute 40 left in this 5 minute. Apple looking weak. Microsoft's the only thing with some strength right now. Everything else looks weak. Minute 40 left. I want us to close somewhere over here on NASDAQ. Bears are having trouble keeping us lower. Buyers keep stepping in. Really not a fan of that, guys. Yeah, not a fan of that at all. Oh, Microsoft, new high a day. Let's see if Microsoft wants a stop hunt too. Microsoft's with a wick. Which time we got about 50 seconds left in this 5 minute. Really need to push lower in these last 50 seconds, guys, to confirm this trade. Microsoft did break, yeah. That's why I meant Microsoft new high a day. But it wicked it, right? So it could have been stop hunting. 30 seconds left. Let's see if we get that closure where I wanted to. Nice. 20 seconds left. Let's try to close between this key level and this supply zone. Nice. 10 seconds left. Bears are pushing. Apple with a nice rejection. Microsoft with a nice rejection. And look at Microsoft, guys. Nice. I like that for Bears, guys. I do like it for Bears. Let's keep going. But now we're at this key level. There we go. Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Just waiting. We got that 15. We closed exactly where I wanted us to close on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute. So I'm good. We're good. We're waiting now. Question is, where do we want to exit? Down here. See if we could take a really nice trade today. Apple near VWAP, but it is very weak. Microsoft very weak as well. Meta very weak as well. Everything's very weak right now, guys. See if Bears want to continue here. And VIX just bounced off of a key level too. So I'm really staying patient here. I'm in my regular size right now. Go Bears, go Bears, go. Go Bears, go Bears, go. Nice. Gonna wick around a bit. Not gonna be the easiest drop, right? Because we just chopped around a bit. Market likes to stop people out, but we're near these wicks now. Let's see if we push through these wicks. Microsoft trying to hold VWAP right. Apple trying to hold VWAP right now. There we go. Microsoft's with some weakness. Meta sort of trying to bounce at VWAP as well. Just be careful with that, guys. 2:48 left in the 5-minute. Buyers stepping right back in. But if I'm looking at this 30-minute is telling me we had a lot of selling pressure. So I'm really staying patient on this. Look at that pop, guys. Look at that pop. Damn. Buyers ain't making it easy for us. Yep, Apple off of VWAP. Microsoft too. Trying to push higher. I'm just staying patient. I'm not going to let some wick stop me out of a trade. When we enter a trade, there's only two ways we stop out. If we hit our stop loss, or if we hit our take profit. Period. Everything else in between is just noise. The market's not going to go directly to It's our take profit. And if it goes directly to our stop loss, we got to reevaluate our entry. That is a stop loss hunt on Microsoft. So a stop loss hunt is like when we break a previous swing high or swing low. So you see how Microsoft, each time it made a new high a day here, it pulled back, made a new high a day here, and it pulled back. So it's stop hunting because people who are shorting right here, they have their stop losses at the previous high. So it goes, it makes a new high a day, it makes them think that, oh, we're back bullish, they stop out, and then we continue lower. Alright, Bears, you can stop playing around now. It's time to go back lower. Downtown, thugging with my rounds. You guys got any questions in our Discord community, definitely let me know. YouTube, you guys too, let me know. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Waiting.
Morning.
What's going on, Jeremy?
Not much. I could be done for the day. I got 28 points.
Nice.
Well done, Jeremy.
Thank you. That megaphone was classic, and then that range bar was just beautiful. That gave me exactly what the break was expected, and it nailed it. The damn penny. Love that.
Cool,
and then
man.
back.
Nice.
Always a
That's
good
nice.
feeling. It's choppy, but it's like you start to make sense of it. It really just puts you in the zone.
Yeah. Let's see, guys. Let's see.
I'm green in this chop, so I think I'm doing well.
There you
Good
go.
stuff.
All right, I'm going to hang up the mic and get back to trading maybe a little bit more.
Get it, bro. Get it.
Thanks.
Can we not confirm something based? VIX MACD crossed on the 30-minute. What, it crossed bullish? Like VIX was going bullish or VIX is going bearish? Let's get some more bear action in here. Buyers stepping in on Apple. I'm really trying to hold this trade based off of the 30-minute time frame. Look at the higher wicks on ES and NQ. 23 minutes left in the 30-minute. How's that 15 looking? Was all right. Buyers are just not giving it up, guys. Buyers want this higher. Apple with the push. Same with Meta's trying to push. Really staying patient here. Ew, buyers, gross. Apple looks like a double top. Yeah, Apple did look like a bit of a double top there. I see that too, like top and top, double topped. Just gotta be aware of all market conditions.
Kevin, do you sometimes look at gold or silver?
No.
No.
No, not really. At some point I was trying to get into oil, because that thing moves like $10 per penny move. But, nah, I like my ES and NASDAQ. But yeah, why do you
I mean,
trade?
more like if you're trading Nasdaq and ES, are you watching the commodities like you're watching US dollar, for example, or the VIX?
I watch the VIX. I watch the VIX and I watch equities. I've tried to use the dollar. I've tried to use the other commodities. I wasn't seeing consistency with it, but that's based off of my experience, and everybody has their own experience.
Mm.
But yeah, if you use it and it works for you, definitely go for it.
No, I've been looking around, playing around a bit, but like you said, I'm not really finding a pattern when Nasdaq or ES. So yeah, hopefully
Got
it's
you.
cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's all experience, trial and error, what works for you. I know, I'm pretty sure Sig uses like a bunch of commodities when he's trading. And again, I don't use any, I just use the VIX. I use the VIX, ES, NQ, and you guys know I keep my equity chart up here.
Mm.
Let's see if Apple wants to push lower. That'll help us go. That'll help us drop. No Beastie Boys fans, alright.
Bears on parade.
Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. We're staying in this. 40 seconds left in the 5 minute. We want these Bears. Apple with some weakness. Love to see it. Let's get a break of this key level. Come on, NASDAQ. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Not yet. See, I'm looking at these wicks, guys, and I'm thinking buyers keep stepping in here. But I'm also looking at the upper wicks. I'm also looking at the higher time frame, and it's still just telling me that bears are trying to take control. A lot of buyers stuck in the market right now. Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft just had an engulfing candle. I sort of like this short still, though. So I'm really staying patient on this, guys. And if it goes and hits my stop, it goes and hits my stop. Can't control the market. We can only react to it. Sort of, again, head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, and maybe a right shoulder over here. Does that look cleaner on any other time frames? And no way. A little bit. 5 minute. Microsoft with a little bit of weakness, Meta with a little bit of weakness, but holding above VWAP. Apple trying to go higher again. My thing too is we keep trying to go higher on these equities and we keep failing. Just keep failing over and over and over. So that's why I'm thinking if bulls finally give up and bears finally take control, we could be in for a really, really, really nice bear trade. So with the entry that we got, which is right up, let's see, first entry point was right here. I did grab more contracts around here, so average entry is about here. So really just staying patient on this. Want to let our trade run. Yeah, Microsoft's pretty weak right now. Apple's still trying. Equities are still trying their best. How's the hourly looking? Hourly's got 18 minutes left, guys. Maybe we'll get a basing on the hourly and then have an even better trade. I'd much prefer we sold off on the 30. But wherever it wants to go. If we go down, we are making new lows in recent weeks or futures. I'd think so. You know, following the trend, and we look at the daily trend, we've been very bearish. So it's really just a matter of how we're going to trade it. Apple with weakness, Microsoft's fallen off. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, equities. You know you want to go lower. You know you want to start my week strong. Whoa, VIX with a strong drop right there. You guys see that?
Yeah, the fuck? Crazy.
I saw it now.
Bro said,
It's
what
like
the
a bug in the system? What? What? Crazy drop.
Yeah, it was a
But
strong drop on
yeah,
VIX.
there's news in 15 minutes. I don't know
Is
if
it a
today.
glitch? Wait, somebody said glitch. No way. I'm gonna check TOS to see if TOS gave me that drop too on the VIX. It did. It did. Not a glitch. Very strange.
That's exactly why I watch UVXY instead. Sorry. UVXY, it was a pop.
Is UVXY inverse of VIX?
No, it's more like the volatility of the VIX.
Okay. But it doesn't
Hey,
really give
Jer-
you general direction of ES or NQ.
More or less, it's a leveraged ETF based on the VIX, but it's based on the contracts in the VIX. I mean, it did retract right there at the top, but instead of being a big drop like the VIX did, it was exactly the opposite. It just popped right up.
Right.
So it was as if equity was buying, or the ETF was buying that wick.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, Microsoft popping.
Hey, Jeremy, can I ask you a favor? You think you'd be able to post a picture of the megaphone you found and how you traded that? A little bit of a pickup.
Yeah, absolutely. Take me a while to put the words together to explain how to trade that particular megaphone, because this was an interesting one. But yeah, I can do something unless Kevin's got a minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, no, if you can just post a picture of the megaphone just to get an idea of what you found this morning.
Yeah, it was just it was visible on the 1 minute chart, and it was part of a bigger structure. But the important part was that it had exactly the right wave count. So there it is. There, you get 1, 2, 3 taps on angular resistance, and then you get that little pause on the regression line. You get a 1-for-1 down, and then when it breaks that support, you get a measured move outside the base of the megaphone to the base of the big control bar that's in there. That's where I marked that horizontal line in blue there. And then you get to bounce back up out of that. And then never forget that big range bar, because later on it gave us 6 points down and 6 points back up.
What's going on, YouTube? Bunch of you guys just tuned in. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all doing well today. I am still in this short position. Apple looks ready to give up as well. VIX had a crazy spike. Crazy drop, I should say, and then it spiked back up. Somebody asked, doesn't VIX have a leg to it? Yeah, VIX does have a bit of a leg to it, because you'll never find an indicator or anything that gives you, like, ahead of time. Everything's going to have a little lag to it. Like moving averages, MACD, RSI, everything is a lagging indicator. The only thing that's not lagging is volume.
Don't forget the magic 8-ball.
Yes, the magic 8-ball too.
My tarot cards.
If you were my doctor, you'd be like, oh, well, I don't have a crystal ball. Dude, that guy was so annoying. But back to the VIX question. Yeah, I follow the VIX. Jeremy follows, what was it, UVXY?
UVXY.
Nice.
It's just it's faster acting. It just gives me it's not lagging or leading. It's just kind of right on par with whatever ES is doing. Okay, I had a spam call. Hold on.
Guys, buyers again are not stepping away. Buyers are keep trying to push us higher here. Does make me want to consider stepping out of my short position, but if I am still trading based off the 30-minute, even if I'm trading based off the hourly, you know, this is a long wick on the hourly candle, and if we could get that long wick in a small body, then this is going to lead to a nice strong sell-off on the hourly chart. So I'm really just staying patient. 12 minutes in the hourly. Buyers stepping back. Microsoft chopping, Meta chopping. Damn, right back to my entry point. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Love those retracements.
Jerome Powell's talking right now?
Huh?
Is he?
Thought he wasn't talking till later in the day. Let me see. I didn't even look.
Does he talk? I didn't even know he was talking today. Talk about not being
Oh
aware
yeah,
of the news and
he's
stuff.
speaking at 11 here.
Hmm.
12 minutes.
Oh, 11 Eastern. Okay, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, he's gonna
staying
wreck it.
patient, but guys, Bulls are back in, guys. Bulls are back in here.
J Powell gonna wreck it.
Hmm. Come on, Bears. Do what you do best. Reject that. Smack that.
Last chance on support of UVXY. Yeah, we'll pop down probably 2 points here.
We did have a
I
little
was-
divergence, guys. Just want to point that out real quick.
Jeremy, this weekend on TradingView, I was doing the replay with your 5-second scalping. That was so much fun. Like playing a video game. I did really good too.
It's awesome because like you can really pick off structure out of that thing like you wouldn't believe, because you really wouldn't believe you could trade a 5-second chart, but then when you start to see it and it starts to click, dude, it does become fun.
Jeremy, somebody
Yeah.
YouTube.
Well,
Oops,
last
sorry.
time I played video games was like Atari, so it was.
Oh,
more
yeah.
like that.
Some 8-bit bars in there. That works. Kevin, you were saying something?
What was I saying? Yeah, I forget. Buyers
what-
look like they want this, guys. Be careful with your short positions.
Yeah, we got UVXY testing support on the 200 1 minute.
I don't think Jerome Powell talking is really going to do much market-wise. And the reason for that is because it's not FOMC or anything like that. What is he talking about today?
I don't even know. All I know is I'm gonna hang it up at like 10:58, and
Yeah.
then I'll wait and see which side it breaks to.
And YouTube guys, don't forget we do have a community that you guys could join. Go to bullishbears.com, click the join button, and you could become a member. You get access to our courses and stuff. And we go live every day, create pre-market plans every day. Really a good community to be part of.
Made 12 points in my eval or my funded accounts today, but
Nice.
I'm trading it kind of modestly because I'm still worried about that whole 30% rule and
30%
malarkey.
rule.
Supposedly if you make more than 30% in one trade or something like that, they kind of label you as a gambler or something. They don't want to copy your trades or something like that. I don't know what the details are, but
What?
apparently it's a explained in a video in their course.
Apple Strong right here. Yeah, I don't remember seeing that. And if you get the link for that, send that to me.
Yeah.
Out of your 7 days, you want to make sure that you don't have a 30% over 30% day. But they also
Right.
said that if one of those days we just had a really lucky break, they're probably not going to hold that against you.
Okay. Well, I mean, the thing is, like, if I go and fund, and I'm going to probably fund an account right at the end of the week here. Haven't decided whether it was going to be TraderVate or not, but I'm looking at I could start like literally a $250 account and have it over $1,000 in a week. So I mean that's definitely more than 30% in a week.
Yeah.
Occasionally I will have 30, 40, 50% days. It happens.
Buyers, no.
But I mean, like, I keep my account small for exactly that reason. I can take all the risk I want in it and just trade the chart and not really have to sweat it. It's $250, When it starts getting big, I distribute it, keep it small. It keeps me very spry, very alert, and very quick acting. Whereas when the account gets bigger, I tend to take a little more look into risk assessment. It does affect my ability to scalp rapidly. It just slows me down a little bit. So
All right, guys, I'm still in this bear trade. I'm having a tough time trusting buyers at this point, but yeah, buyers are having a hard time, or sellers are having a hard time.
made a 1-for-1 up on the 5-second. It's likely to make a retracement right here. Or are you watching NASDAQ?
A little bit of both.
The ES should be making a 50% retracement of that 1-for-1 right now. There it comes. Boom. Textbook.
Good. Let's trap some sellers so we have fuel to the fire to push us
Ooh.
lower.
They're making a 1.5.
Minute left on the 5-minute. If we could get a dump candle right here and then a follow through candle, that's
Yep.
exactly what I'm looking for.
You're at the base of range and support area here on the 5-second, so this will bounce. I'll zoom out on the 5-second and throw it in the chat.
And the hourly closes in 5 minutes too, guys. Just a heads up.
When we get range on a 5-second like this, it's like it'll plot itself out pretty regularly. Just moves and beats in that same range.
What up, YouTube? Sorry, I see a bunch of you guys just tuned in. What's going on? We are currently in a short position, trying to target this 15-minute demand zone down here. But if we do get a good close on the hourly, we might have an even better trade set up. So really staying patient. 9 seconds on this 5-minute.
I gotta make a call and chew some ass at the insurance company, so I'll be back probably probably about noon or so.
Alright, Brody, do your thing.
Alright, man, see ya.
Peace.
Take care.
Thanks.
Thanks, Jeremy.
Buyers ain't giving it up, guys. This is a tough trade. Tough cookie of a trade. Apple looking pretty weak, though. I like that. Microsoft too. Meta too. Just need the continuation. Can you get 5 seconds on TOS? I don't think you could get second charts on TOS. I think it's minutes and then it's ticks, which ticks is like the trades being processed. Guys, I'm staying in this trade, but I'm not liking where we're rejecting right here on this candle, but I'm staying patient. Yeah, TradingView's got the seconds.
Oh, yeah, we do.
I'm not a fan of the seconds. I don't know how you guys do it.
I do 10 seconds. I don't do 5 seconds like Jeremy. He's crazy.
1 second chart.
It's been fun looking at that. I'll tell you that much.
I bet
It helps.
that looks like a video game.
So it helps me out. I use the 10 seconds and I trade on the 1 minute.
Got you. Guys, I might look to exit this short position, depending on where we close. I really wanted us to close in between this area on the hourly, which is in this next 5-minute, but it's not looking like we're going to get that. Just got to stay patient, though. It was a nice drop right here. Nice drop right through that. There we go. Apple week, Microsoft week. Once these equities start giving up, guys, we're going to have a good move. It's just a matter of patience. Now, if you entered this trade right here, wouldn't be a matter of patience. But if you entered back here with me, we've been chopping around, bouncing around. Was green on this trade, really green, was red, went back green. So we're just chopping around. We're waiting. We're just staying patient. There's VWAP. We are creating these higher lows. If you wanted to scale out of a contract or two, could definitely see doing that right now, lock in some profits.
You're gonna hold this into the news. It's not that big of a deal. The news
Yeah.
that's coming up.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this. HODL. 'Cause, I mean, I'm shooting for I'm shooting for how many points is that? I'm shooting for over 100 points on NASDAQ on this trade, guys. So this is going to be a really great way to start the week. There we go. Apple selling off. Microsoft selling off. Love it, love it, love it. Remember, I said I wanted the hourly to close in this area, in this range. Because then it could be giving us a basing candle before it creates a supply zone and sells off for the next hour or two. And if we sell off for an hour or two, I'm going to be so happy. 45 seconds left on the 5 minutes. Staying patient on this. I'm out, going to close off remaining, picking up the card. Hey, good job, man. Good job. Get it, get it. Good trades. I think we continue here. Apple's starting to sell off pretty strong. Microsoft seems a little weak to the sell side, but if we could get below this wick on Microsoft, that would be ideal. Let's see. Meta also trying to hold. Really need these equities to continue lower. Microsoft trying to bounce. Same with Apple. Got about 9 seconds in the 5 minute and the hourly. So really, really, really be careful. How are equities looking on the hourly? Not bad, not bad. Got the close that I was looking for. Let's see if we want to continue. Wouldn't be surprised if we bounced up first. But I'm staying in the short position. YouTube guys, don't forget, join our Discord community. We post morning pre-market plans every morning. We do our live trades every morning. It's either me or Jeremy in the live room. And yeah, we just take some good trades, make some money, give you guys some education, teach you guys what's up. And yeah, it's good stuff, good stuff. Let's go Bears, let's go. Let's go Bears, let's go. Apple looking weak. Equity's trying their best. Patience is key. We've been patient this long. Why stop out now? What's a 15 minute looking like? 15 minutes looking bearish. 30 minutes looking bearish. Except on ES, it's looking a little bullish. 45 hourly. Just keeping an eye on these time frames. Very choppy right now, guys. Not much continuation at the moment. And what Pal's probably starting to talk now too. I say that and we just like pop. We just go to the moon. Oh, please tell me I'm wrong. Yeah, I didn't think Pal talking would really do much. Staying in this trade. 2:30 left in this 5 minute.
If anything, he put everybody to sleep.
Yeah. Oh, please don't give us another stop hunt. I don't want it. I don't want it. Go away, go back down. Right at the top of this zone. considering adding to this position, but I'm in it. I'm waiting. Did a call spread 420? Hey, good job, man. Good job, Aleem. Minute 40 in this 5 minute. Apple popped, Meta popped, Microsoft popped. Equities are strong today, guys, but they're just failing to bring NASDAQ and ES higher, which again tells me once bears do step in, we should have a really strong move lower. But if bears can't step in, we might have a strong move higher. So it's really just trade lightly, know where your stop loss is, know where your take profit is, and just follow your plan. Don't stop hunt. Come on now. It's going to stop hunt. Alright, there's that stop hunt. Let's see if we start to reject again. Oh, Apple's strong. Microsoft's strong. Trying to make a new high a day on Microsoft. But every time we make a new high a day on Microsoft, we reject it. So I'm looking for a test of this zone. If we test this zone, I'm going to grab another short position. $34 seconds left. Yeah, I don't know, guys. That's a strong pump. But if I'm looking at the hourly, trading off the hourly, it's got plenty of time. It's got 55 minutes to come back lower. Three to 1 risk to reward on this trade. And if you enter up here, you know, you got an even better risk to reward on that. YouTube, what is up, everybody? Leave a like, leave a comment. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Hope you guys are taking some good trades today. Very choppy market today. You know, we've been in this short position for about, oh my goodness, how long now? I want to say, was that 10-15? Almost an hour now. Most of my trades are 10-15 minutes. This is an hour-long trade that might even stop out for red. So it's like, just got to stay patient, just got to follow our plan. Apple looking pretty strong right now. Same with Microsoft. Not stopping out yet. Part of me wants to reverse this trade to take it long because it does look like bulls want to take it. But I was trading off that hourly. I was looking at the hourly candles. That was just a really, really bearish hourly candle. It's a 30-minute looking like. 30, it did break. 15, 5-minute. Yeah, I want to see continuation here, guys. I do. I do. Apple strong. Microsoft again strong. Equities are trying to stay strong. NASDAQ is having trouble. VIX is funky because of that big long wick. Microsoft trying to push that new high a day. Hey Kevin, remember 435 on SPY could be a support for today. Oh, 420. Alright, cool. Appreciate the heads up. Yeah, buyers want this, guys. Bulls want this bad. Alright, Microsoft new high a day. Last few times it did that, it rejected. Alright, Microsoft new high a day. Apple not new high a day. Meta pretty weak. Sort of want to add another short position to this. I'll add one more contract. Really light on this, guys. Well, at this point, I'm pretty heavy, but just confident in those bears. What can I say? Nice. Nice. Minute 35 left on the 5 minute. Need bears to continue pushing us lower. They're struggling. Apple rejecting. Microsoft again rejecting new high a day. Minute left in the 5 minute. Patience. Equities again trying to push green. Come on, give us a nice strong drop. 40 seconds left in the 5 minute. Buyers are just playing with us. So are sellers. The more we chop around, the more of a chance we get a strong break. Which direction? I don't know, but based off of supply and demand and market structure, I would bet on shorts. Hence my short position right now. But I'm not one to hold a loser for too long. I will stop out if it does go against me. Nice rejections on Microsoft. Nice rejection on Apple. 7 seconds left in the 5 minute. Let's see if we get a strong push. How's that 15 looking? Yeah, I'm not liking the buying structure here, guys. Sort of could be a rally, a base, and then a rally right there. Come on, give us those bears. Apple with a nice candle that looks like it wants to reject. Same with Microsoft. But bulls just keep bulling around.
Those bullies.
What was that?
I said those bullies.
They are bullies. That's for sure. And the bears are berries. Sort of want to set and forget this trade so I could walk away and go take care of stuff.
I'm
for
gonna
the day.
dangle some berries in front of my chart here.
That's what I was thinking. The bulls are being bullies, the bears are being dingleberries. Yeah, I don't like that buyers keep trying to hold us here. Apple pretty weak right now, though. Oh, no, Microsoft popping. No, Microsoft. Stop it.
All right, I'm out of here, Cav. All the best today.
Take care,
and thank
Brody.
you.
Peace. Be good, Ricardo.
You too, bro. Take care.
Cheers, brother.
Yeah.
We are getting lower highs on the 5 minute though.
That's true. That is true. But equities seem pretty strong right now. I do need equities to start selling off, which they are not. Just really staying super patient right now. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't think this bear trade's gonna play out. Getting less and less confident. The longer this trade takes, I get less and less confident in it. ES seems weaker than NASDAQ right now. Just something to keep note of. Apple's trying to go higher. Microsoft's trying to go higher, but keep rejecting highs. Dixie breaking moving average. What moving average you looking at? The 9? Yeah, look at that rally base rally there. Gross. But I wouldn't go long here. If anything, I would just stop out of my short, but I don't know about going long here. Good Apple rejection. But Apple's still green on this candle. Yeah, really not a fan of that. Yup, nope. A lot of buying pressure. I'll try one more short contract where we're at right here. But if it gives us another pop, I'm stopping right out. Yeah, it looks like it wants to give us another pop, guys. Yup. Damn, Apple going higher. We didn't break new high a day on NASDAQ, though. VIX trying to go lower back at this key level. Google been trying to go higher. Tesla's been trying to go higher. Microsoft new high a day with strength this time. Still in this, but probably gonna look to stop out. Oh yeah, 10 seconds left in the 5 minute. Ah, that's shot. Alright, there's the stop. I didn't close position yet. I probably should, but I want to see if we get a pullback first. Close out on the pullback. Might not even get it. Oh, god damn. Oh, goodness. Give us a pullback. I'm reversing this trade. Apple's just going higher. I'm reversing this trade. There's no reason not to. That was a tough loss, guys. It happens, though. It happens. You know what? I'm gonna trade smart. I'm just stopping out of this. I don't want to be in another loss. If it doesn't give me another pump right here, I'm out. Definitely disappointed in today's price action and my execution today, but it happens. Yeah, I'm out. That's it. That's tough. Is October the most volatile of the year? I don't know about that. It is just like the first trading day of October, so we'll have to see. Yo, what a tough loss, guys. We were in the money on that for a while. Damn. Then that bit just said nope. Now we got ES at VWAP. It's like ES isn't making new high a day. Makes me think we're gonna reverse. Apple
Some
rejecting
days you get the
Microsoft.
bear, and some days the bear gets you.
That's right. 2:10 left in this 5 minute, guys. I'm gonna wrap up the stream there. I got stuff to take care of. I shouldn't have taken trades anyways. Been a long week. No sleep last night. It's been tough. Family stuff is what it is. Microsoft rejecting. Of course we're gonna reject now. If it gives us another push higher, I'll look to enter.
You're still thinking about going long?
Short. I know it's crazy, but Microsoft's at a key level. Apple hasn't breached new high a day, and ES hasn't breached new high a day either. It's divergence.
But you closed your other short?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
I'm still in my short. I shouldn't be, but I just believe. Oh, come on.
Look at that.
Stop this.
Microsoft's just too strong. Microsoft was the leader today, guys. That's tough. Gotta take every day as a lesson. Whether you've been trading for a day, whether you've been trading for a year, 10 years, every day is just another learning experience in the market. "20 seconds. Trying one more short. Depending how this candle closes. Nope. Too strong. I do like the divergence, but market's just too strong right now. Yep. Alright, guys. Sorry about that bumpy market. Wish we took profits on those shorts when we noticed that bears were not able to take control. But bulls were also having trouble too, and it was coming off of supply. So it is what it is. It happens. Just got to take it as another lesson. Keep our losses to a minimum. And we live to trade another day. We do have divergence. NASDAQ made a new high. ES made a new low. But we're just too strong right here. Maybe a scalp.
And from what I can remember, whenever there's divergence, it usually follows the ES is the one that leads that.
Depending. It depends. I have a divergence video. Should be coming out today. Oh my goodness.
The last few times that I've seen divergence, it winds up following the direction of the ES.
So usually we'll just reverse directions, but it does depend on which one is more divergent. Like if ES made a new high and NASDAQ didn't make a new high, then it'll probably follow ES. But yeah, tough cookie market right here. Come on, Apple, go make new high a day. Let's scalp some long positions, make some money back. There we go. That's nice. Oh, that's even nicer. All right, cool. I'm going to nice. All right. I'm gonna exit somewhere up there. I ended up getting back longs once I saw Apple stayed strong. Trying to make that money back, you know? You know?
Don't chase, Kevin.
I'm not chasing entirely. $2:30 left in the 5 minute. Yeah, I'll look to close this position up here. One more pump and I'm out. No, maybe not. I like that ES is finally making that new high a day. Google flying, Apple flying, Microsoft flying. Gotta know when to exit, when to reverse, when to trade that trend. Alright, I'll get out right there. Alright, made a chunk back. That's okay. Is what it is, guys. Is what it is. Just gotta be able to keep our losses small, keep our profits profitable, and make that money. And if we lose, that's just a losing day. It is what it is. It happens. Alright, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys soon. YouTube, you guys got any questions? Check us out, bullishbears.com, and click the join button. Yes, sir, you know it, you know it. Where is my OBS? YouTube, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Leave a like, hit subscribe, and I do have a Divergence video coming out, I believe this afternoon. I gotta see what the editor is doing. If he didn't edit it yet, then I have to put it together, so it might be a little bit. But I'll catch you guys later.